Amanda Haynes, your Orlando realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Whether you're buying or selling, give me a call to get the best deal for your home. Hello everyone! Today we're in this beautiful community and winter garden. You're just minutes from 429, the Florida Turnpike, Highway 50, and I-4. There are 9 plans to choose from. This particular floor plan has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a 3-car garage, and depending on the options that you choose, you have anywhere from 4,076 square feet to 5,068 square feet. This bedroom has a full-size bathroom, and the base price is $643,990 before any upgrades are added. The high ceilings and all of the detail makes this entryway very impressive. To your left, you have a formal dining room. Your family room. And your kitchen. 42-inch upper cabinets are included. You have your stainless steel gas range, microwave and dishwasher, granite countertops, and your breakfast table. This model has the pool and also the water view. A very relaxing space to enjoy the outdoors. This community is just between Johns Lake and Lake Avalon. You're zoned for A-rated schools, Whispering Oak Elementary, Sunrise Middle, and West Orange High School, all within minutes of the community. Some of the amenities include walking trails, playgrounds, and a swimming pool. If you decide to build a pool in your backyard, this door is very convenient coming in and out of the home without tracking water. This is your half bath. I'll then take you over to the master suite, located on the first floor. It's a very spacious room with lots of light, a beautiful view of your backyard. A frameless glass walk-in shower in the master bath. Double vanity divided by a garden tub. You have your privacy door for your toilet area and a very large walk-in closet. Granite countertops are a standard feature in the master bath. Before we head upstairs, I wanted to show you the laundry room. and this would be the door leading you out to your 3-car garage. Top of the stairs, you have a 20 by 17 loft area. A perfect space to use as a game room. You have the option to add a balcony. You can see it's totally worth it with this gorgeous view you get to enjoy. A great space for entertaining. The remaining 3 bedrooms, the 3rd and 4th bedroom, are divided by a bathroom. And then your 5th bedroom has its very own full-size bathroom. If you're looking for a quick move-in, there's one available in January. The price on that home is $830.60. It's the same floor plan with 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and 4,076 square feet of living space. My name is Amanda Haynes. I would love to help you find a new home for you and your family. Please continue watching my videos. It seems to be very helpful for a lot of my clients. I hope that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and that I talk to you soon. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.